have to double click the hardware configuration to define how many channels you are used, and you can also choose the test set, and it's mandatory for the test universe 4.40 SR1 or higher version. It's mandatory to select the test set inside the hardware configuration, and you can press OK. Then you can define how many channel of current and how many channel of voltage. In that case, we don't need any voltage channel, but we need 10 channel of current, as you can see, and we can define the analog output for the 10 channel, and also we can define so we can use here the current output A for the I primary, the current output B for I secondary, and the current output C for the I tertiary, and the 10th channel to represent the reference the neutral current of the high voltage CT for the restricted earth fault function testing. Then you can define the binary and the analog, which can be used, and which type it is, dry or wet. And if it is wet, you have to define the nominal range, and it will be automatically detect 70% of the nominal range to be the threshold. So once the voltage drop across the contact of the protection relay binary output exceeds the 88 volts, it will automatically detect that the binary input is closed or changed the status. But if you are using a spare or a spare wired binary output, you have to select the potential free to detect it as a dry contact. Then if you need any binary output, you can simulate also from the CMC4 binary output to the protection relay input to simulate any kind of event, and so on. So this is the first way if you are selecting to starting from scratch, and then you can insert to add the differential module. And as we explained, we have 4 dedicated modules for checking the differential. First is the differential configuration to check the stability against the external fault. Then we have the differential harmonic restraint to check the blocking of the differential function based on the second harmonic for magnetizing inrush current, or the fifth harmonic for in case of overexcitation. And we have also differential operating characteristic using the shot mode or the search mode to check the operating characteristic of the differential and the dual slope characteristic. And last but not least, the differential trip time characteristic to check the trip time within the tolerance or the time tolerance band based on the protection relay manual. So you can add it one by one, and it will be automatically linked to the differential review file which we add in the test object, and then you can simulate and test all kind of protection inside your protection relay. So this is the first one, which will take some time if you are using if you are starting from scratch.